Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, there is a big update that is coming from the TCS side that TCS has started sending the survey mails to the students. So today only, that is on 5th of March, students have started getting the survey mails from TCS. So as you know that TCS NQT exams are starting from 10th of March. So exams will be happening in phase-wise manners. So TCS is sending these survey mails in the phase-wise manner only. So what does this survey mail means and what when can be your exam dates? Each and everything I will be discussing in detail in this particular video, and also I have discussed some things from a student on a telegram, so I will share the chat screenshot also that what all things I have discussed. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And guys, as you all know that on our YouTube channel there's a TCS ultimate preparation series that is going on, wherein we are posting everyday videos for the previously asked questions for TCS NQT, whether it is coding questions, verbal ability, logical reasoning, aptitude questions. All these videos you will find in this playlist. I will give you the link of this playlist in the I button or in the description box. Make sure to visit it. If you have any doubts regarding the hiring, you can always join this Telegram group, discuss here, or you can write in the comment section also. So guys, now let's start this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button before moving ahead. Okay, so guys, the survey mails tells that. So see, greetings from the TCS campus team. As a part of the next step, after applying for the TCS All India NQT, we are sharing this survey link to collect your personal and institute related details. This information is essential to plan the forthcoming process smoothly. You are requested to complete the survey by 7th of March 12 noon. So students have started getting the mails today, that is on 5th of March, and they are told to fill the form by 7th of March. First of all, what information you have to fill in this form. So they will be asking you about the personal details. Okay, then they will be asking you about the institute details, and then they are asking you about the TNP, training and placement office details also of your college. So each and everything you will have to fill in that form, and please be very careful while filling these things. Okay, because one wrong spelling mistake or something else, your candidature, your exam might be postponed or it might be at the later stage. So please fill this form very carefully. Now now the question will be coming that which student from which state this student was who has received this particular survey mail. So this student is from the Pune state. Now you will be thinking that okay, from all the students in the Pune state or all the students in the Maharashtra state has got this survey mail. So answer is no. So see, I had a discussion with the candidate on Telegram. So see what he's saying. So see, hi, you got this today or your friend? So my friend just got it now. From which state he is? He is from Pune. Okay, and you are from which state? So this student told that he is also from Pune, but he has not received the survey mail till now. Okay, so I have told him it will be in batches. So did you get any update on your exam date? So he said no, but he said one more thing. I applied in February only. Still, I haven't received. But my friend applied recently only, but still he received the mail. So what does this means? See, the TCS is sending mails in the phase-wise manner. Okay, exams will be in phase-wise manner, and these survey mails will also be in the phase-wise manner. So most probably those students whose exam will be on 10th of March, because we know that first set of exams will be on 10th of March. So those students whose exams will be on 10th of March, so they have started getting the survey mails. I'm not sure about this, but this is what it seems like, because since they will be collecting the information for till 7th of March, so they might be sending your admit card or something else by 10th or by 8th of March and something like on. So it is possible that if you have received this mail, then your exam is on 10th of March. So I hope it's clear to you. And again, I'm telling you, not all the students from Maharashtra or Pune have received this. These mails are still going on in the phase wise manner only. So please write in the comment section whether you have received this survey mail or not. If you have received, from which state you are, do write in the comment section. And before closing this video, I would like to tell you that on our top mid page of Code Bashers, we have TCS NQT exam preparation material. This particular material contains all the sections that are getting asked in the TCS NQT exam. So we have 400 plus previously asked verbal ability questions, 400 plus previously asked aptitude questions, 200 plus reasoning questions, and 50 plus advanced coding questions. So all the questions that have been discussed in this particular material are actually asked in TCS NQT in the previous years. If I will show you the sample of, let's suppose, the verbal PDF, you can see we have the proper questions, we have the proper answers, and the explanation also of those answers. Similarly, in the numerical PDF also, we have the proper questions options and answers. Similarly, in the coding also, we have the proper questions, we have the sample input and sample output, explanation of that question and solution, and the correct running code for it. So since only 3 to 4 days are remaining for your preparation, the best way to prepare is by solving the previously asked questions of that exam. So if you think this material can help you, the links are in the description box. Do check them out, and do write in the comment section that whether you have received this survey mail or not. Okay, and fill this survey mail very carefully. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.